Let's learn ending consonant sounds. Ending consonant sounds means consonant sounds we hear at the end of a word. For example, whenever S and T letter comes together, we say st, t, est, test, ift, g, ift, gift, ilk, ilk, milk, imp, amp, lamp, ilt, elt, melt, ilf, elf, self, int, and land, int, and bent, ink, ink, rink, act, sacked, put, kept, kept, help, help, help.